Moorseville Dragway, September 11th and 12th. Me and my MSO family will be at Moorseville Dragway for my JJ's Arm Drop. Small tire, $200 entry, $10,000 guaranteed to win Friday night. Big tire, $200 entry, $10,000 to win Saturday night. Rides in zip tie, free. Everyone come out. Every ticket gives you access to the pits and the cars and drivers up close. Kids get in free. Kids get in free. Kids take the track for a foot race for cash and prizes. Arm drop, chase is a race. 2 water burnouts only. Come hang out with me, JJ the Boss, and the MSO family. We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be a blast. A lifetime experience. Mooresville, North Carolina at Mooresville Dragway, September 11th and 12th. JJ the Boss.